So yeah, any YouTube channel, particular videos, how to create the thumbnails. But what is the size of YouTube video thumbnail? The size will be exact will be taken for the 1280 by into 720. So the any image will be making for social media or YouTube purpose, we can use it by Canva.com. Using by Canva.com. So first of all, I'm selecting any one video. So any video we can add the thumbnail purpose. We can go to Video Manager option. Without adding for Video Manager, we can't add the thumbnail. Suppose without using for Video Manager, particular one image thumbnail will be changed. Select the one video, click for Edit Video. Multiple videos using for Video Manager. Only one video we can change in thumbnail. Open the video, click for Edit Video. Select in this. So this video and no thumbnail. Select here. So in this, you can select your option. Copy. Just search in Google. Select your image. You can checking for relevant images. So everything will be here. Every option will be there. So you can using by how to submit Google XML on Google Search Console. So select go to Canva. I'm changing little bit option. So I'm selecting for image, anyone. So select it. Copy the image. This time save the image will be here. Okay. Now you can select by here. Option call is any XML site. Is the image correct? First you can upload relevant image. You can take the important. Select it. Share the particular documentation. Select it. Select here. Click here board. Select your board option. Change your borders. Borders anyway you can color your wish. Border is highlighting for your design. And change your bordering. Text will be always using by white. Why? Because white will be highlighted by any way. Change your font color. Is it clear? This will be can add by header and footer your wish. The footer will be not correct. Go for header. Clear? So we can add by one explanation photo that is called thumbnails. You can select by any expression man, expression woman. So anything you can select by here. That is select by the PNG. You can use these options. So anyone which is useful by the your video, we can add by this option. Just open this one. But we will always using by PNG images. JPG is not accepting. So I'm selecting here anything. So that is very important by your background. Select, add this. That always PNG is called transparent. If any selecting your background, then also writing for like this. I'm adding. Just click for download. Or else you can add by your picture also by using the video option. Now click for download. Select here. Just video option will be done. Add your thumbnail. Your download option. Before uploading, you can select for. Always remember any thumbnail uploading. What are the title for your video? The title always mentioned by your YouTube thumbnails. Don't give the wrong mistakes. This will be affected by your image optimization. Copy, change it, add by your option. Is it clear? Now click for save changes. So always you can use your image and other image for expansion images. Add by your this kind of images. So we can most of the people using for human images also by explanation everybody will be PNG images. So what are the image you can use? But only for PNG images important. I'm using for transparent. Select it. You can check the video, not transparent. We can always using by the business. You can use this kind of images. So we can add the but it's not a PNGs will be JPG. So background will be using will be like this. It will be PNG image. You can select it. Select in some name. Upload it. Clear? So everything you can select by your particular images. This is a very important for each thumbnail option. Select by 280 by 720 and based on your option, select by each every option. So what are the changes required? You can change your option will be like this. Clear? This is called making thumbnail for particular video YouTube channel. So I can prepare for one more video one. So anybody important, what are the image you can upload by thumbnail? The image title will be same as your video title. There's a machine should important by the each YouTube channel upload by thumbnails. Any YouTube channel not visible custom thumbnail is nothing but your YouTube channel will be not verified. YouTube channel will be not verified. Is a very important interview question. Any YouTube channel not enabled by YouTube custom thumbnail means the channel will be not verified with your mobile number. So I'm adding here. Just can show by any video. Any video will be missing for any thumbnail, we can add it. Select it. We can make a number of thumbnails by particular video. Suppose we can add any options. Copy. I'm not using any option. Only I'm using for Canva image. I can make the thumbnail. I'm not don't use any kind of Google images. I can make the thumbnail for your particular YouTube thumbnail. So what are the images required? That is called, you can select by elements. These are the templates. Any video template will be here. What are the template you can use? Which showing will be free? It is a free. It's not showing free, it is a premium. Don't select the premium, only select by free. So it is a premium, it will be showing free, premium, 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 free, premium, premium is a free. So what is the free? You can select by here. The premium, premium, free, free, free. So I'm selecting this one. Go to element, select your everything. Here you can select by the free photos. Add your option. Nothing is there. Just you can select the photo and then drag this. So here you can add your option. This is not suitable. Delete it. Select it. Change your font. Font your wish. Select here. Just after setting font, everything will be selected here. This font will be not suitable. Just you can remove this font also. Go to elements. Here will be lot of fonts will be there. Any font will be your option. Select by the select your option. Text. And your background. I'm not using any other images. Just I'm using for Canva image. I can make the thumbnails. So in this one, you can add by any picturization will be. Click it. Make it for thumbnail. Just I'm using only for transfer image. Remain all will using by Canva image. This thumbnail. So always before you can select by your title. Select your option. Same as the title will be there. Upload image. Again check by your save changes option. This is called you can update by your thumbnail is important by each and every video. Without adding thumbnail, user can't understand your videos. Any video can promoting is the three options. There is a thumbnail and end screen and cards. This is very important by the increase your YouTube views and the earnings. The use option by the YouTube playlist also. So this is called we can promote your thumbnails by using by title to upload by your YouTube channels. Any video promoting the thumbnail is most important by the particular channel. The making using by Canva, the size will be 1280 by 720.